room in this 8,000 bushel bin for about 1,000 bushel. Oh yeah, it's right there. Probably 1,200 bushel would be full, so it looks like we'll have a pretty full bin and maybe some extras this year. We're at the last farm of wheat. We only had 3 farms we had wheat on, and we went to the one field at the one farm, got it done. Now he's in the first field, getting ready to start the second field in the other farm. And then I think we've got 3 more fields left, so we should be able to get close to done today, so it'd be nice. We're about we're getting pretty full. Head back to the field. I'm sure they'll have another one loaded by now. It's a little moist out yet, but it's gonna rain tomorrow, so we gotta get it off. And then we'll probably do 100 and some acres of straw we still got left. So that's fun. Yep, a little moist, just a bit. Got some rotten grain. Oh yeah, it's good walking around. Mud and rotten grain. It don't get much better than that. Combining the last field of wheat for the year. We won't be able to quite get all of it done since we ran out of storage. The bin's full, both wagons and the grain cart. So we're gonna have the truck driver bring his truck down, but couldn't get a hold of him. So we'll probably have another 1,000, 2,000 bushel left probably. So it's about 9 o'clock now, so we'll go back. The grain cart and one wagon's still there, so we'll go back and get them and bring them back. I ran the combine while Dad was doing chores at the home farm. I did chores at the other farm for him, so keep the combine rolling. So it's midnight now. Today's Thursday, and about 10 minutes it'll be Friday. Dad just got done with wheat for 2021. You guys are gonna laugh because you look like, I thought you said you were gonna get done tonight. Well, we decided to. We got a light in here. Anybody know? There's one. It works. It's all about the tubing. YouTubing. Anyways, you guys are probably wondering how in the world we got done. We put the rest of the wheat in the silage wagon. We had like 2 dumps we had nowhere to go with. Both 500 bushel gravity wagons are full. 600 bushel grain carts full. And we had like 4 acres left, and it's supposed to rain. Well, it's sprinkling right now. So Dad just left with a 50-20. He hightailed it out of here to go get that silage wagon, because it doesn't have a roof or tarp or anything. It's sprinkling, so he's gonna bring that back, put it in the shop, and so yeah, we're done. Now we just gotta worry about doing straw, and then we gotta do Sudan grass, and then second cutting hay, and then start chopping corn and go back to school and do beans and corn and do more hay and more Sudan grass. Oh, we're just doing it all, boys. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See if I can hit the garage coming in hot. Holy crap, she's a close one. I think I'll hit the lawnmower. Here's how you know if you hit something. You hear it. How far do you go? Because that hitch sticks out, you got to get her in far enough. Guess you just go until you hear a little. I would say that's good. Thanks for watching.